How am I
Is the
looking?
camera
Make sure I
rolling?
look good at the end.
No, wait.
Damn, I forgot my lines.
I can't do this.
I'm not prepared.
Wait. Damn.
So, why do I love Saregama?
Why do I love Saregama?
It's a difficult question.
Maybe the people,
The people,
The decor?
the coffee,
my team,
the TT table, of course.
the lunch breaks. Yeah.
Of course, the people.
Full of energy.
Why I love working with Saregama, although our roles are defined over here very well, there is so much of liberty as to how we execute them, how we solve our day-to-day problems. We are allowed to experiment a lot, and this primarily stems from the higher management. I can walk up to my MD's cabin at any time of the day and share my problem with him, and he will give a solution no matter what. And that's the best thing I love about this company. And apart from working, there are a lot of other things that I do, and I love them too.
So I come from a very different industry. I come from the oil and gas and construction industry, and now I'm into the entertainment world. So I won't say I was scared, but I was a little anxious. For my time being here, it has been an amazing experience, and I think the people made the difference. They're very fun, loving, and very creative. So there's something about this office that whenever I step in, it's just a lot of positive energy and makes me more and more happy. And I think I've made a lot of friends here, I think much more than my college days.
Well, I'm interning in the market research team, and this is the very first time I'm having a corporate kind of experience. So initially I was a bit apprehensive about the work culture over here, but after joining Saregama, I got to know the way people interact with each other over here. There is this transparency, the way management communicates over here. So overall, the office, the ambience, the people, everything is amazing over here. Thank you, Saregama, for giving me such an incredible experience.
So I used to be a freelancer, and though it had its share of ups and downs, but it allowed to be my own boss. And also I was into video production, so you can imagine it required a lot of moving. I was on the sets all the time. So when I had to make a decision to move to a corporate life, trust me, it wasn't easy. But today, if you ask me if I want to go back to my old life, I would clearly say no without batting an eye. This place has become my home. And these people, my family.
I came from an advertising and communications background, which no matter what you do is under constant pressure, erratic work hours and complete chaos. Against that, Saregama has been a welcome change. An individual here has the autonomy to work the way he wants to. He can walk up to anybody, anytime, and frankly, a lot gets done just like that without any hassles.
The place is so amazingly welcoming that, it feels like home.
The office decor is retro, yet very, very cool.
I love Saregama.
I really look forward coming to work every day.
The experience here is so musical and full of surprises.